The Latino brand crosses 1 million views. So thank you for watching the Latino brand video series. We recently achieved a major milestone by reaching 1 million views on IG. During this challenging and emotional time for many Latino Americans, I've done my best to try to produce compelling and helpful content. You've helped with this process through your engagement. My goal from the get-go has been to provide context and perspective. I've tried to avoid the blame game, instead focusing on opportunities and strategic thinking. Over the past few months, I've developed several beliefs that have only become stronger. First, the attacks against the Latino community will have a proportional rebound. You can count on it. Second, AI creates the most significant opportunity, perhaps in history, for Latinos and other communities to close wealth and prosperity gaps. And thirdly, building a more united Latino community requires our leaders to focus more on our shared bonds rather than trying to resolve our political differences. Over the next few months, I intend to continue sharing these ideas and perhaps expand to additional platforms, all leading up to the release of the Latino Manifesto in 2026, a comprehensive and I think needed guidebook for Latino Americans. Thank you and good luck. If you want to learn more about the Latino brand, leadership, and building wealth, follow me for more.